Uba sambor lang dingdo uwe ne kitrai petrol pom hapo kejela ulo ong ba ke jingpun kiu khajna dak sarkar jela ya kabai petrol ba diesel kalong ke ba kensan. Ulo ong ru ba hau benaya yong arpau kabai petrol kadang de nyupu artengka ndai ka kiu kensan syaka prapu pratengka. Ha keju upo ulo ong ba ke sarkar kamla ban kesan ya ke jingpun herdor kabai penyang da artengka.
Kajing semua jongati nomor C, ngati nga stress baik nak tu tax baka risk ke government. Berpindong penyiar artingga, sporingga, nekhasaninga eventually ke calculation kawan baik nak taxation department. Te ngai te ngasno ile dia hi ba berpikira ke tax nak 13.5% ya ke diesel syaka 22%, ya ke petrol perkira nak 22% syaka 31% ngasno ba kila syura kansan. Kemudian kata ke gradual slope in increasing the taxes. Te ngasno ba bakin penkiu hado nomor C just haka mid month jong April kadang day nyupo artingka after that kasu jump be syaka pra te menta eventually klak poi khandai po te findabat ya ka khandai po bar ka tu nyupo ar kadang ka difference ka bakat pratingga kemut ba government klak penkiu hado kat pratingga te katu ba ka penhiar ka government min artingka te pindakain nak original nyupo ar kadang penkiu kan riu ken kadang ding na fi kajam tak point tingas ngo ba kampat long justified dia ban penahap tang artingka nomor C arina dia nga beli ngir ngimi sa kamat ban support ru bangi kwa ba haba khadu bikin penihar ya kabai tak pai kali bikin suk ki pat ba kan mo tenre kan penahap tang artingka te sei kin la ban penahap bai kali kini ki commercial vehicles ngajing so juga ka mon rajin dong IRM ko bangala clarify itu kasngi nomor ngiting yo commission ka jo pi nama at the end of the day he respective oil companies can calculate bi ngi ya volume of sale ngila di kata KL per month multiply by kata commission whether ka price of petrol ka 100 rupees and 200 rupees we still earn the same. It's just that we wanted to be part bengin kersan ni kini ki ba duk basuk jingi nomor ba dak kudor tan pada ka petrol tiki nong nya taksi rumban si ki haban pen kudor yang ka baik kali sin maka kudor ka baik kali tu maka kata ki ba te sa ka baik day pada kini ki marba mardi ru ngili kemangnya keren yang ngimdan access sa really had ru islong totally dependable on road based for transportation but sisin maka kudor ka by diesel but ki marba ru eventually kan kudor hi kala government si at the end of the day is a state subject mo ngai pite nomor ba kasal sales tax ka 18%. The government, if they want to play, they can play somewhere within that 18. Maybe they can upgrade to 20, 21, 22, but to 31%, I feel it's too high. Nama kasal sales tax is only 18%, and this is not categorized under GST. This is totally a state subject. Kasyang state government jungi kakwa panra kan no. Pada lada ka benchmark national government kelabo 18%. Long it has to stick within that kan. Lada ka ra pelat dia kaya dah kakwa panra ru. Long kenyan nak 18% kadang biang te long kamnum nakatakan kan yupat ba. Artingka ada kampat donang tanfi because see if you convert into percentage kan kampat it's nothing itu. If you happen to in the volume of percentage bikira from 13.5 ya ke HSD directly to 22%. And from 22% ya ke petrol directly kira adu 31%. And the amount of calculation ada fishong bafin calculate it's a massive amount bikira. Rita 2 rupees is nothing. Kam mentoy kan menta pi klinik ini kan kihun se kan her tang artingka ka bai kali ki parla te ban penher. He belong answerable the honorable taxation minister but the honorable transport minister. Honorable taxation minister he is answerable to that taxation part bagi taxation department ni ka fuel and the transport minister ki documents kan taxes jong ki vehicle documents they are answerable fee syaki pat ba mara di anu dia hi baran ni government imdating honorable deputy CM fee all the 60 MLAs are in this together tengah semua babar kai ki balong answerable kan mentapot berjenjar ki pat ba and plus when it comes to both the taxes jong ki kali kan ya relate with transport department ka taxes badai ki fuel kan relate with ka taxation department ki bingite bi taxation minister but honorable transport minister ki bolong answerable kan in generally kota ngidang isi ba kawai arpo kawai laipo Shikror lak inang isi wa per quarter per 3 months long kata ni tang mga barokay nga try isi lo kata kanjo kata long in general ngashim average kan tikidan pada tiki high selling pumps the taxes can go up to 2 in a quarter takin and plus kadang sakatu ka COVID-19 ses hampir mana kan ni perlu ikan ka tax kami extra ka tax ngaban siyo tiki ang maganda COVID-19 ses te ngatry ba everything is back to normalcy te the government should do away nak kan ba ka COVID-19 ses namno na business kala mangi imta 80% te kala awan